Yo, what's up guys? We're over here in Kuwait. We're gonna show you guys how to smoke Shisha. We're over at the Vee Lounge, Fahaheel. Let's go.
And this is the Shisha. Has apple, cherry, melon, strawberry, grape, lemon, mint, licorice, banana, cappuccino, gum, rose, pineapple, watermelon, orange, vanilla, and peach. Right now, let me
Alright guys, this right here, this is a hookah. First off, you got the bowl at the top. That's where you pack all the Shisha into. And then you go down, and that is a tray that catches all your ashes. And then you got the stem. And then at the bottom, you got the base or the vase. And right here, you got the hookah hose. And then at the tip, you got the plastic tip that's just replaceable. And basically what you do is you pack your Shisha in the bowl. You pack it tight, but not too tight because you want to have airflow. And at the top, you poke a bunch of holes. And if you want it hotter, you put more charcoal in the middle. And if you want it less, you just take them off. You can leave them in the tray. And basically, when you smoke, the charcoal goes through the tobacco down the stem and goes down to the water in the vase, and it comes up through the hose. And that's how you smoke some Shisha. If your smoke is starting to be a little stale, right here you got the release valve, and you can blow out all your smoke. Basically, the hookah is the water pipe that you smoke the Shisha out of.
What is a Shisha?
Shisha is the tobacco leaves that are flavored with fruit.
What are the fruits?
Oh no, we got all kinds of fruits. What we're smoking right now is a mix between cherry, strawberry, watermelon. People like to smoke Shisha because, you know, it relaxes them. They get to chill out, they get to look around, check out the girls, you know what I'm saying? Check out the girls.
There's no girls.
A lot of people that go to college, they go to hookah bars because they're not 21 yet, so they pretty much like to go there, chill out, meet new people. That's about it. It's a good
hookah. Check out.
That's it guys. So right about now, we're just gonna chill out, smoke some Shisha. We're no experts, but we do know how to relax and chill out. All right guys, see you later. Hey, people are always asking, is Shisha safe? You know what? My vlog is hazardous to health. You still watch that. So, you know what? This is just as safe. Keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.